What would be the most universal global environment issues? The reforestation, water pollution? No, I would say it's the air pollution. More clear is the haze. Haze is the result of integration of specific climatic contamination with human activities. High-density population of economic and social activities is bound to emit large amounts of fine particulate matter, which is PM 2.5. Once the discharge exists, the atmospheric circulation compassed, and being compassed, fine PM concentration will continue to accumulate. Haze is a universal issue in Asia, India, and the country around them. Now, let's focus on China. In January 2013, haze progress showed 4 times in 30 provinces. In Beijing, there were only 5 days on the haze days. A report shows that less than 1% of China's 500 largest cities meet the World Health Organization's recommended air quality standards, while 7 of the world's top 10 most polluted cities are in China. This is not only in China, it also shows up in Indonesia. Let's have a look.
So we finally made it to Pekanbaru, the capital of Riau province in Sumatra, Indonesia. The haze here is terrible. It's the epicenter of the haze crisis. And so we're actually going to take off this drone to give you an aerial view of the haze here in Pekanbaru.
Now, do you know who make the change of our world? Is it factory exhaust? The car exhaust? No, it's human. It's ourselves. You may ask, oh, is there any influence for our life? The answer is yes. There are some huge influence of our life. What are they?
Yeah, it's always affecting us.
Let's have a look.
We cannot open our door, our window in the house and everything. You know, when you go out, you need to wear mask. Yeah, it's quite inconvenient. And not to mention the health effect that the haze is bringing to us.
Because he had the breathing problem, and for me it's like every week I'm continuously taking the puff because I'm getting the breathing problem because of the haze. So we find it very hard to go out of the house, but no choice.
In Malaysia, the Education Ministry has ordered the suspension of classes in all schools in 3 states. Air pollutant index in Selangor, Negeri Sembilan and Kuala Lumpur has reached the unhealthy levels. Schools will remain closed until the API level recedes to normal. The forest fire has been continuing in Indonesia for 2 consecutive weeks already. Thus, national governments of the 3 nations have called on residents to avoid outdoor activities if not necessary to keep themselves away from respiratory diseases. Meanwhile, the Philippine Embassy in Singapore has advised residents to use masks when outdoors or if possible stay indoors to be protected.
Huwag kayo lumabas kung lumampas na sa 300 or sa unhealthy zone yung haze. Para sa lalo na sa mga ating mga kababayan na may mga anak na maliliit dito sa Singapore. Kung meron mang mga bagong announcement from the Singapore government, we will be always sure to tell you how to take other precautions if need be. Yun.
Bianca Dava, reporting for Y News.
Our resort will have a hard time to live in the haze. The PM average goes higher, and our resort lives harder and our life will become shorter. There are many harmful bacteria in the haze. It will cause us more disease and they are having a huge death rate for us. The haze started in Asia. It will go all the way to the world in the future. I believe that no one wants their children live in a dirty world. So guys, start protect the environment. Give our children a perfect world to live in the future. Start at me, start with everyone.